Всем привет! С вами школа CDL и инструктор дядя Рома. В этом видео я вам покажу In-Cab Inspection. Это будет чисто демонстрация. В другом видео я запишу лекцию по In-Cab Inspection, в котором будет рассказано, что мы делаем, почему мы делаем, зачем мы делаем, чтобы вам было легче учить. В этом же видео будет чисто демонстрация. Приятного просмотра. I begin my in-cab inspection. Now I need to go out and check my tires. Seatbelt. No cuts, no fries. Latches and non-latches. Safe start. Check spring brakes, if applied. Transmission in neutral. Apply service brake. Ignition on. Check ABS and DEF lights. They come on and go off. Start the engine. Rise RPM between 1000 and 1500. Build up air pressure to 125 psi. Governor cuts out at 125 psi. Engine off, ignition on. Apply the relic test. Release spring brakes. Press and hold service brake. The leak should be no more than 4 psi per minute in the combination vehicle. Wait 1 minute. If the leak is less than 4 psi, works properly. Low air pressure warning signal test. When air pressure drops to 60 psi, the warning light will appear. Pump service brake. Warning light is on, works properly. Spring brake pop-out test. Trailer emergency brake pop-out first to prevent jackknife. Tractor parking brake pop-out next. Pump service brake. Spring brake pop-out test works properly. Now I need to go out and unchuck my tires. Ignition off. Take the key. Go out. Safe start again. Building up air pressure. Check my gauges. Temperature gauge. Works properly. Rises to normal range. 180 to 120 Fahrenheit. Oil pressure gauge, idling 35 psi. Voltmeter gauge, works properly between 13 and 14 volts. Check lighting indicators. Left turn signal works properly. Right turn signal works properly. Four-way flashers, parking light, headlight, low beam, high beam, works properly. Horns, air horn for highway use works properly. Electrical horn for city use works properly. Emergency equipment, fire extinguisher, secured, ABC or BC10 type, fully charged, safety pin is present, inspection is up to date. Reflective triangles, a set of 3, all in good condition. Spare fuses, a set of every kind. Check heater and defroster. Heater, works properly. Defroster, works properly. Windshield, clean, no cracks more than 1 inch. Rubber seal is present, no water leak from the rubber seal. Safety inspection and insurance sticker are present and up to date. Wipers and washers, work properly. Mirrors, clean, no cracks, properly adjusted on both sides to the driver. Check my brakes. Tractor parking brake test. Air pressure is minimum 100 psi. Apply service brake. Shift to drive. Apply tractor parking brake. Release trailer emergency brake. Release service brake. Try to move. Truck doesn't move, works properly. Apply service brake. Shift to neutral. Apply sprint brakes. Release service brake. Trailer emergency brake test. Air pressure is minimum 100 psi. Apply service brake. Shift to drive. Apply trailer emergency brake. Release tractor parking brake. Release service brake. Try to move. Truck doesn't move, works properly. Apply service brake. Shift to neutral. Apply sprint brakes. Release service brake. Service brake test. Air pressure is minimum 100 psi. Apply service brake. Shift to drive. Release sprint brakes. Move forward 20 feet. Apply service brake. Steering wheel must be straight. If not straight, problem with the brakes adjustment. Shift to neutral. Apply sprint brakes. Release service brake. Engine off. My in-cab inspection is complete.